Hey guys, and welcome to another homeschool day in the life video. Today is more focusing on me as a homeschooling mom, and I am actually sick this week. So I was just trying to do the best that I could in this homeschool day and making this video. Thanksgiving just passed a little while ago, and I had my godchildren over. So I had 3 teenagers, including my daughter and her friend and my godson, 2 preteens, and then my almost 8-year-old. We had air mattresses all over the living room. There was snacks everywhere, dishes everywhere. On top of that, we got our Christmas tree. We're waiting for the Christmas tree to drop so we can decorate it. So we have ladders in the formal living room and some decorations. So the house is kind of messy. So this morning before we start school, I need to clean all the spaces that we're going to be using for our homeschool. I picked up these sprays for my Christmas tree from Michael's when they had their huge Black Friday sale. I got them on 60 to 70% off. A lot of my Christmas decor was so exciting. Right now, I'm putting away the things from my co-op bin for the classes that I teach. What I do is when I'm done the lessons, I hole punch them and stick them in the appropriate binders so that I can use them in the future. And then I'm going to be taking out some wrapping paper and getting my daughter set up to wrap these socks for her American Heritage Girl Christmas party tonight, where they're going to do a sock exchange. I love all the Mrs. Meyer's scents that they have, and this is like my go-to spray for cleaning the house, just surface cleaning. And right now I'm cleaning my dining room table off and been sweeping around the floor. It gets so dusty and like papers everywhere because of all the cutting and things that we do in the homeschool room, because this dining room is also our homeschool room. And I just love this big table. It's a big rustic wood table. I always wanted a table that fit a lot of family members because we have such a big family, and this one actually has another leaf to put in it, but it just wouldn't fit in the room if I added that leaf to it. But it's a nice enough size that a lot more people anyway could sit at the table during family holidays because I have such a large extended family. I've been sprinkling Christmas decor throughout the entire house, just really trying to get in the season for Christmas early so that it lasts long, because that feeling and that joy of Christmas is just so wonderful, and just having it just for 1 month is definitely not enough.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing.
Normally it's my kids' job to unload the dishwasher, but we were all feeling under the weather today, so I decided to have them just go ahead and start their morning work since we woke up so late, and I could get it done faster, and that way they could get started school while I was still cleaning up and having a little breakfast.
One-horse open sleigh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
All right, ready? Walk slowly. What's the adverb? Slowly. Quietly whisper the alphabet. What's the adverb?
Quietly.
Good. Close your mouth tightly. What's the adverb? Open your mouth and tell me.
Tightly.
All right, let's do our review questions, and then you can do the independent practice probably on the next time we do school. Okay? Let's have a seat. Sit down quickly. What's the adverb?
Quickly.
Good.
Sky on the walls and housetops, soft and thick they lie. All look soft and white.
Over the last few months, I had been doing some reflecting on my homeschooling and just thinking about how unhappy I was with it all and how the kids were unhappy, and I just didn't want to put the kids in school but didn't feel like doing this anymore. I felt like it wasn't working, and I realized that it was so much more fun when they were little, and I thought, why was it more fun when they were little? And my daughter's only 7. Why is it still not fun with her? And I realized I had just been working to check off list and just work and not do any of the fun things. So I made sure to take some time to play a game with her when she had asked me, as we were learning about our adverbs, to learn the parts of the speech. And then I was happy because her science unit had an outside activity and her language arts had a hands-on activity. So lately I've been just trying to add a lot of more fun into her learning, especially. With my son, it's a lot harder because he is in 7th grade, but I have been giving him time to play on the trampoline. His work, there's not a lot of fun in it, but if he can stay on schedule, I do have a lot of breaks with the new routine that I have that I'll link in the card above, where he will get to have some one-on-one time playing games with me or playing games with me and his sister so that we can make it more fun. But he first needs to get into a rhythm where he can get all of his work done in a single day. For this activity, my daughter had to find a bunch of things in nature, write them on her list, and then check off the characteristics to find out if they were living or non-living. We are doing the Good and the Beautiful's Kingdoms and Classification unit right now. While the kids are taking a little school break, I decided to go on their checklist and mark off all the things that they have done and completed already, and also to bake a boxed lemon cake for my father-in-law because it is his birthday today and I can't go because I'm sick, but the family will go over there and celebrate with him for a couple of hours. I admire all those people who make homemade cakes from scratch. I've never even done it before. Tell me the sentence. There are two cups
in a pint, 2 pints in a quart, and 4 quarts in a gallon.
Okay, you have one cup measuring cup. That's 1 cup. Okay, I want you to put 1 pint of water into the bowl.
How?
Put 1 quart of water into the bowl. Good job. How much water is in the bowl?
4 cups.
Or?
A quart.
Or? 2 pints.
2 pints.
That's right. It's all the same thing. Good job. Dump it out. Now I'm going to put something in and you're not going to look, okay?
Okay. Water.
Okay, go over to the bowl. Alexa, stop.
The bowl or?
The bucket. Does it look like 1 pint or 1 quart?
Quart.
Good job. You're done. Good job. You done that part. Dump it in.
I got a quart.
Yep. You're right.
Called you into fellowship with his son, Jesus Christ. Our Lord is faithful. 1 Corinthians 1:9.
Good.
Lord, God who has called you into fellowship with his son, Jesus Christ. Our Lord is faithful. 1 Corinthians 1:9.
Very good.
I've read it 3 times, so.
We're going to do the baptism book so that Arlen can be baptized.
My hands hurt.
Very pretty, sweetie. I'm going to end this video here. My son and I are going to cuddle up on the couch and read some history, but he doesn't want to be filmed. So I'm going to thank you guys so much for watching. Gotta love those preteen ears. And I'll see you guys in the next video.